Got an AP file from astrology software? This is a position data file from Astrolog astrological calculation software. I'm Evan Brooks, certified support engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Astrolog position files in astrological research. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering AP files with corrupted internal metadata. AP files are position data files created by Astrolog free astrology software used for calculating and displaying astrological charts. They store celestial body positions, chart configurations, and calculation parameters for astrological analysis, supporting natal chart interpretations and astrological research applications. AP files use Astrolog's text-based format, storing structured astrological data, including birth chart parameters, celestial body positions, house cusps, and aspect calculations. The format follows Astrolog's specific syntax, enabling reproducible chart generation and parameter sharing within the astrology software community. The proprietary opener for the AP file structure is typically Astrolog by Walter D. Pullen. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows can't decode the full data structure, so proper access must be done through the correct software. Begin the compatibility check by right-clicking your AP file and selecting Open With. Use Astrolog if it's an option. If not, test any other program in the list. Keep testing until the AP file opens. When your AP file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The nature of the AP format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, opening in Astrolog. Download Astrolog from astrolog.org, which natively reads AP position files. Launch the application and use the appropriate command to load the AP file. Astrolog displays the chart with all positions and configurations, enabling astrological analysis, interpretation, and chart customization. Next, examining as text. Open AP. Files in any text editor like Notepad++ to inspect the data. Astrolog uses readable text formats, making file contents directly viewable. This enables manual data extraction, parameter understanding, and conversion to other astrology software formats through manual transcription if needed. Finally, converting to other formats. Use Astrolog's export functions to convert AP data to other astrology formats compatible with software like SolarFire or Kepler. Standard exchange formats enable working with charts across different astrology applications, providing flexibility in tool selection for various astrological research workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.